Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. It's 5:55 a.m. Looking to take a short right now. I'll explain the trade in a moment in more detail. Stop sell order below this wick. See that right there? Again, I'll give you more detail in a minute. Just wanted to capture this. This is early for most people in North America. We are in the London session. Live order, guys. Stop sell. So a stop to enter. Looking for 30 points here. 1-to-1. Risking 1 to make 1. On the 30-minute chart. Bear with me for one moment. I'm just going to make sure that my own platform is all ready to go here with my brackets. Thank you for your patience. And target. Live order, ready to go, guys. All right, let's take a look at this bigger picture so we can, before we do, looks like I'm going to get triggered in right about now. Almost. Let's zoom right in so I can show this to you very clearly. Yeah, 1 point down. There we go. To make sure it matches my own entries. This would be a zone reversal trade, guys, as you can see here. Price is rallying into and creating a new area of resistance. So the original zone would have been down here, right there on top of that white body you see. But now that we've broken and began to round over, I'm going to revise that up to there. And that's the way we do this here, guys. Zone revisions, because we are in a new session now. This is Asia, Europe, UK, right? New York doesn't start until way over here, 9:30 a.m. It is currently 5:59, 1 minute to 6. New candle in less than 1 minute. See that? 55 seconds left. Still not triggered in yet, but I believe I'm about to be, if I had to speculate. And I'm in, guys. Just got triggered. Short the Dow. Going to show you the three sisters here at the same time. You'll notice this 1 minute sell-off on all three. I'm always looking at all three of these here. So the three sisters, for those who are new, are the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow. The Dow on the far right is the one that I'm now short. You'll see we have a disequilibrium here, a divergence, if you will. The Dow being the strongest today. NASDAQ trading at or just below, now just above, but right on VWAP. The volume weighted average price. Whereas the S&P and the Dow are both above volume weighted average price, the blue line in the middle. They are at 1.25 standard deviations from VWAP. Not that meaningful right now, quite frankly, because we're early. And now it's about patience. I'll put you on pause now. Bring you back. All right, guys, we're back. A few minutes have passed. And we're starting to make our way down here. Just tapped a new low. Let me take you to the main trading screen here so we can see this whole thing in perspective. So there's the daily up in the top left, a 30-minute in the bottom left. And this is a 2-minute chart on the right-hand side. Sometimes it's a 5, a 3, a 2, or a 1. And today I'm using a 2. Depends on the time of day and the price action and what have you. And so we have basically a neutral to bullish daily candle, but it's an inside candle. Not much going on here. The fact that we are trading above the low body of yesterday, rallying up. Well, that rally we saw, of course, over here, rallying up into and creating a new confirmed resistance zone. This is a zone reversal trade on the way down. The overall trend here on the daily, guys, is in fact down, right? It's a series of blue candles. Blue for me are down candles. Today is Friday. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. This week has been basically a down day for the Dow, a down week for the Dow, right? Erasing all of that very big move on Friday. This last Friday. Today is Friday again. And then we have the zone reversal here on the 30-minute as mentioned. And a continuation of a sequential wave downtrend here on the 1 minute. Excuse my voice, guys. Give me one moment. Got this very dry air here and causing a little bit of raspiness in my voice. So I do appreciate your patience with me at 6:17 a.m. here this morning, watching for this to continue down. And I'll put you on pause for now and bring you back as the trade develops. Pause. And pushing down here slowly. Just remaining cool and calm and letting this thing play out. Showing you the three sisters again, NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow. The Dow is the one that I'm short. Really looking for it to come down towards VWAP here. It's just taking its time, of course. NASDAQ is already below. Down here, right? S&P and Dow are very much in the same positions, essentially, right? More or less. Sequential wave downtrend, right? Down, 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 down. Lower lows, lower highs. We're just asking for that pattern to continue for a little bit more to take us down towards the target. Let's see if I can illustrate this over here. Right there. This is the 1 minute chart, of course, guys, with VWAP. But it shows you what I'm trying to target here, the 469. That's 33,469 down here. And you see the same thing over here. So we're not asking for it to go all the way back to VWAP down here. Just kind of meet us halfway. asking too much for this time of day. It's possible. Kind of a sluggish time. 6:22. We're 3 hours and 22 minutes into the London session. Kind of no man's land. But this idea remains intact, and so I'm going to stay with it. And I'll put you on pause for now. And we're back after many, many minutes. These are 30-minute candles, if you can see, as you know. And you can see we've dropped all the way down. We were nicely in profits and then almost got stopped down. I mean, it's a few points away, but we decided to go in for a second try there on that resistance. And now we flip back down and back into the green marginally here. We'll keep on watching and I'll keep you updated. Okay, guys? Let me just show you the full screens here so you can see. We had this little run up. It was pretty orderly, actually. Nice little zigzag. Didn't shift my stops or anything. Just sat back and watched. And you can see that we're still pressing down here. The idea is still very much intact. It has not been invalidated. And pause you now and we'll come back. All right, guys, we're back and still watching this thing, having to be super patient. This trade started at 5:58, call it 6 a.m. It's now 7:26. Almost an hour and a half long, and these are the 30-minute candles down here, so you can see it. Be very patient. I'm going to let this thing run for a bit. Got a couple of things to do here, and I will be back. All right, guys, we're back and finally driving down a little bit, just kind of a little bit surpassed the prior low. We're long into this trade at this point. And we're back, finally driving down a little bit here. Again, we're looking for 30 points here, guys. This is over 2-hour trade now, entered at around 6 a.m. It is now 8:12, so 2.25 hours almost. And it looks like we might be able to get to the 2.25 mark at the very least. We'll see. It's going to shift this over one candle. That's what the entry was here on the 30-minute. And just a reminder, guys, it was an inside bar on the daily. Nothing, so more or less indecisive on the daily chart. And so I'm really leveraging off the rally up, which is that bottom wick there, you see, and then from yesterday, and then the forming of a new resistance and driving down on the 30-minute chart. So this is a zone reversal trade. In the bigger picture, it can be considered a trend continuation trade. Down, up, down to new low, up, and then down towards another low, theoretically. So it's a T-con trade or a trend continuation trade on the bigger time frame, the higher time frame, but it's very much a zone reversal trade here for an intraday day trade. Hopefully that helps. I'll put you on pause again as we wait for this thing just to grind its way through. Super patient today, and it's Friday. Be right back. And still watching. I'm just going to change this to a 3-minute chart, guys, to clean it up a little bit. Let's try the 5, shall we? That's a little cleaner, isn't it? Not quite as messy. Just need another good push, and we'll complete this trade. If you're still with me, amazing patience. As patient as I am. I know I've been sitting in this thing for 2 hours and 15 minutes or so. This video is only 18 minutes, but that's a long time to be sitting watching some candles form. But good on you, because unfortunately trading is a lot of very boring stuff. People want to believe, new traders want to believe that it's an exciting thing, a constant dopamine rush, and it certainly can be at times, but for the most part, good trading is incredibly boring. It's dull, it's not exciting. It takes patience, impulse control, all these things that we talk about a lot here on the channel. And if you can do that, you have a chance to not only survive this game, which most don't, by the way, but also thrive. And so, good for you. Let me mute this microphone here for a bit. And we're done, guys. Thank you for being with me. 30 points. What a long, drawn-out trade. Again, thanks for your dedication and for staying with me. Have an amazing day. Happy Friday. Happy weekend. If I don't see you later, chances are we'll have some more trades today. At least another one, I would think. Typically I do on Friday, but have a great one. Take care.